Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Chalk Couture. And today I just want to show you how we can use the same transfer over and over on different surfaces. Recently I just did this one, Don't Grow Up, It's a Trap, in chalk paste. Now I'm going to use our chalk ink, excuse me, and put it on this t-shirt. Basically the same colors. I'm just going from paste to ink and same technique. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so I'm taking the same colors, only it's ink this time. And I'm using bright white on the top and shimmer gold on the bottom. Now since it is ink, it becomes permanent, so you gotta be careful. Make sure you don't over chalk this on the edges or get it on your fingers and then get it on the material. So I just put it on a little bit thicker in the middle, and then I'm going to take my finger and blend it in. And this time with ink you don't need to add water. So make sure your fingers are clean and then pull off your transfer. Oh, I love it. That is cool. I'm going to be wearing that shirt a lot. So inside, I had one of our ink mats, and it's sticky on one side, so your t-shirt or your material will stay put, and it's a blotter on the other, so it won't go through to the other side. There it is. It makes life a whole lot easier. Okay, and there's the one I did the other day. So one is paste and one is ink. It turned out really, really good. I love it. Okay, if you enjoyed this and you would like to look a little bit more, then just go on to my website, check it out at chalkcouture.com/Cherie Criswell. And once you're there, you can shop, browse, join, or we have a new monthly subscription, so you can subscribe. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for watching. See you next time.